how to copy parent column to the subitems column in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to copy a parent column into a sub-item column that you're working on. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. Once when you log into your account, you can see that you will be redirected here to the home page. And here there are multiple boards you can see that I was working on. And on the left side, you can see there are some other boards as well. So let's open a random board and see what can be done. So for example, I'm working on this board and you can see there are several sub items included here in this board. Now what I want to do now I want to copy a parent column and paste it right here in the sub column, because in the sub column in the sub item the specific column is not present, so we'll need to copy a priority column right here because that's not present. So we are going to copy right now a column from the parent column to here into the sub column. So let's just do that. Let me set the priority, the status of these first, and then we'll be good to go. Here you go. I've set these priorities right here. The status right here, sorry. And now I'm going to set up the date. Just give me a second and we'll be done with the date as well. Here you go. Now we're going to need to put a priority column right here. So what are we going to do? We are going to click here and then we are going to click on copy parent column. And here it's going to ask which actually category of column that you want to copy. So I'm going to click on priority and then I'm going to click on copy column. Got it. So here you go. We have synced, we have copied the priority column, which was a parent column, here into the sub items column. Now we can use the priority column for every sub item category here, like so for sub item 1, for sub item 2, for 3, for 4. So we can use it for all. So that's how we actually copy, a parent column into a sub item column. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.